Hello guys, welcome back to another video of this channel. So today we have power strip. I have ordered this for my office usage. So this supports 10 ampere and 2500 watts, and it includes 4 USB cables. So let's unbox this and see the quality, and let's see. So let me unbox this and see. I have ordered this from AliExpress. Oh, let me unbox this. You can see the quality and the wire length and many other things. Let me open. Here you can see. So let me open this. Very strong packing because it's arrived from the another country. So here you can see. Four USB and 3 sockets. 3.1 ampere. Rated power is 2500 watt. So let me check. And 2500 watt equal to 10 ampere according to this. So let me check. The color is black. It's open. So it's a white color. It's okay. I thought I have ordered black, but it is white. So here you can see the wire is also strong. Here you can see, and here is power specifications. Here is button. So let's use. The wire is very strong. You can see the thickness of the wire is really good, and the length of the wire is also enough. Here is the power light. You can see it is turned on blue light. Let me connect my charger and let's try to use and charge cell phone. Currently it is not charging because button is off. So let me turn on. The white is the blue light is also turned on, and it is on charging mode. So let's connect USB wire into USB plug. Let's see it is charging or not. So it is charging. It is not fast charging, but it is charging. You can use any USB plugs in this board, just like tripod, stand, or ring light. This type of lights you can use in using this. So I think it is good. It supports 2500, so you can use iron or big things in this power strip. So I will give you link in the description. Till you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.